In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to an image in Webflow. First, open your Webflow project in the designer. So you're looking at the page where the image should be clickable. It helps to have your layout visible in the navigator on the left so you can see exactly where elements live on the page. If you already have an image in place, take note of the section or container that holds it. That's where we'll work. Next, click on the div block that will contain your linked image. This might be a section, a column, or a simple wrapper that already holds your image. Selecting the correct div ensures that when you add a new element, it lands in the right spot in your layout. If you prefer a cleaner workflow, you can also name this div with a class so it's easier to find and style later. Now open the Add panel to find what we need. You can click the plus icon in the left toolbar or press A on your keyboard to open it quickly. In the search bar, type link block. The link block is different from a regular text link. It's a container that can hold other elements, like images, and turn the entire area into a clickable link. This is the Webflow native way to make an image behave like a button. Click on link block to add it to your selected div. It will appear inside the div block you chose, and you can position it exactly where you want the linked image to sit. For the link to apply to the image needs to be inside the link block container. If your image is already on the canvas, use the navigator to drag it into the link block so the whole image becomes the clickable target. If you're adding a new image, just place it directly inside the link block. With the link block selected, set up the destination in the settings panel on the right. You can link to an external URL, a page in your site, a specific section via an ID, or other options like email and phone when appropriate. For external links, include the full address with HTTPS. If you want it to open in a new tab, enable that option. While you're here, add or confirm alt text on the image for accessibility, and consider styling the link block's hover and focus states so users get clear feedback when interacting with it. Preview your page to confirm the image is clickable and routes to the correct place. That's it. Your image now works as a link. Congratulations.